Let's make bacon. Start out with pork belly, trim off 3 pounds, and then remove the skin. You can leave a little bit of skin on if you like. We then got the seasoning ready with blackberry spice, kraken, and calico jack. Mix it in with 1 teaspoon of pink curing salt. Make sure it's pink curing salt, not Himalayan salt. Then obviously get it all covered over that beautiful pork belly. Then place your pork bellies into Ziploc bags and into the fridge. 7 to 10 days, and you flip it every day. Rinse and pat dry, and put it back in the fridge uncovered for 24 hours. Time to fire up the Rectech grill with Bear Mountain Barbecue Maple Bourbon Pecan. Awesome flavor, 180 degrees to 200 degrees, 3 hours, until your internals hit 150 degrees. Let's slice that bacon. Absolutely gorgeous, mate. Look at that. Three pounds of beautiful bacon, ready to hit the griddle. Listen to that sizzle. The best bacon egg muffin you'll ever have. Check out Lanier's and Blackbeard Spice. Use that code word.